Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, we can see the Australian dollar once again is attempting the upside as it takes on the challenge at 75.65. At the moment, resistance comes in around that level, although I do see minor 80 with firmer resistance at 76.30. Although the determination is towards the top side at present, we should see another retreat or rejection from the region around 75.80 to 76.30 if seen today. And I expect to see a move back towards the downside with the immediate support coming in at 75.25 and the trigger or the bear zone of 74.60 eventually breached and opened the way towards 72.80. So do keep that level in mind. The euro once again showing a little bit bias now to the upside as the market comes towards the pre-elect Donald Trump to be sworn in as the 45th president of the United States. What's more concerning is the fact that his comments of a weaker US dollar has rattled the market a little bit, and as you can see, although the euro is attempting to try and take on a bullish stance against a weaker US, technically the stochastic is also folding over. Therefore, any attempts beyond 106.90 should find resistance firmer at 107.45.55 to 108.20.50. And I still feel the market will eventually take on the challenge to the downside after it briefly did attempt of the 105.70.85 with an 88 low and eventually move lower to 104.55 to 103.40.60 and reassess from there. It is interesting to see that dollar yen broke above 115.30 yesterday or overnight. However, the brakes were applied very quickly, as you can see here, and the market fell back underneath the 115 handle. In spite of the rejection, I'm looking for a weaker dollar yen today and looking towards immediate support of 114.55 and towards 113.70.75 should find demand, and I expect to see the market eventually rebound and take on the challenge higher towards 116 to 118. Sterling attempting to recover now. Once it's back above that 123 handle, I still feel the bears are waiting for the challenge from the resistance of 123.75 to 124.50.65. In light of the recent 48 hours of weakness returning, I expect to see the immediate support 122.90 challenged and lower down towards 122.20 to 121.65 and reassess from there. I still view gold as a potential bear trade at the moment with the market capped around 12.10. We should be looking for a move towards 11.86 and lower down towards 11.76, which I've highlighted here, and reassess from there. Any attempts beyond 12.10 should find firmer resistance at 12.16.18 to 12.22 to 24. And to wrap up with oil, still seeing supply quite comfortably keeping the lid on the any advance, with the resistance holding around 53.40.60. I expect to see the market move towards that target of 49.60 and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released very shortly.